Good morning, students. Today I am with you, Tessie Tandishan, your GK teacher. So today together we will discuss some facts, some beautiful aspects regarding GK or general knowledge. General knowledge is very important to us as it increases our awareness about the world, about our surroundings. So we can start with our lessons. Our first lesson, colored words. Colors are something that make our planet the most beautiful. Colors make the beautiful world very beautiful for all the different types of living things. Colors make the life so energetic. So today we will be learning some aspects of colors. So here we start our lesson with some beautiful animal pictures, beautiful slides and all. So the first one, the spiders. We all are familiar with spiders. The black widow spider is the poisonous spider. All the spiders are not poisonous, but the black widow is poisonous one. Now the second one, when we are doing difficult task, when we are doing something very big, at that time we will compare it with the largest animal on the land, the elephant. So the second GK, the heavy maintenance items are black elephants. Now see the third one, the largest animal in the world. So you know all of you know that. The largest animal, the largest mammal, it is the blue whale which is found in the deep seas. Mammal means it has the capacity to give birth to young ones. So next we will be dealing with our planet, the earth. When we look the earth from the outer space, we can see that it is blue in color due to the presence of water. So we call our earth as the blue planet. The next one, you are very familiar with Hitler and his way of rule. So during that time, Hitler regarded his blood or the German blood as royal origin because he told that their blood is blue in color. So the blue blood is regarded as the blood of royal origin. Now we'll move to the sixth one. We can see our appliances. At present you will get all the appliances in different colors, but majority, the major color which is used is white. So all our large appliances like refrigerator, washing machines, air conditioners, everything is white in color. So that is our sixth GK. White goods are large appliances like refrigerator or washing machine. Now seventh one, the sheep. You know we are taking the wool from the sheep. That aspect you are learning from your class 2. So usually we are familiar with white sheep and white wool. But there are sheep which are black in color. And this black sheep is considered to be a disgrace to the family, is a bad sign. So that is our seventh GK. Black sheep brings disgrace to our family. Now here we are having our eighth GK. It's about the technology, what we use to transfer data and music. We are familiar with the technology. We are using speakers, headphones and all with this particular technology. And that technology is called Bluetooth. And that is our 8th GK. Bluetooth transfers data and music. Students, you have heard about black box. In the newspapers and all you have read, after a flight crash, the black box of the flight is recovered. So this black box, by the term, it seems that it is a black colored box. But actually It is a bright orange colored recorder box which is kept inside the flight, which help us to know the details regarding the flight. And that box is known as black box because in the earlier time it was painted black. So that is our 9th GK. A black box is a flight recorder. Now next, the most beautiful, the most bright bird in the world, which is usually flown by the leaders to represent peace. So that is our pigeon. So the white dove, it is the symbol of peace. Whenever we want to show that there is a peace, we usually show a white flag or white colored backgrounds. So here we are having a bird which denotes peace. So that is our 10th GK. The white dove is the symbol of peace. Now we can move on to our next lesson, that is athletics. And athletics refers to track and field sports like running, jumping, throwing, walking events. Athletics keeps our body fit. In schools, we organize a sports meet in order to make the students aware about the importance of sports, about the awareness about the importance of health. Just like the healthy food we eat, we also need physical exercise. So the different sport events are the different means of exercise. So here we will deal with some of the important sport events. So here we are having our first session or the first slide. The first one, you can see the picture. A man is throwing a ball-like thing. Actually, it is a ball that is made up of iron, which is having 3 to 5 kilos of weight. So this one, we call it as shot put. So that is our first picture, the shot put. Second one, you can see a boy is leaning up. So this one is an example of long jump. So the second picture determines or it denotes long jump. Third one, you can see a man is throwing a pole-like thing, a long pole. So this one is another sport event, what we call as the javelin throw. So the third picture denotes javelin throw. Fourth one is a part of the race, but they have to jump over some obstacles what is kept in between. So this type of race, we call it as hurdles. So that is our fourth picture, hurdles. Now we can move to the next one. You can see a man is catching a chain with a ball at the end. And this one, he has to swing at a great speed and throw. So this sport event, we call it as hammer throw. So that is our fifth picture, hammer throw. Now sixth, you usually see along with our sports meet and all, the relay, where 4 children are running with the baton. So one will pass the baton to the next one to continue the race. So this type of race with the help of a baton, we call it as relay. Now the seventh one, it is the simple running race. Running races can be done in 100 meters, 400 meters, like that. So here in our textbook, we are having the 7th picture, running race 100 meter. Okay, now we can move to our 8th one, which is known as the pole vault. Pole vault means we have to carry a pole, run with the pole and jump with the pole. So that type of jumping we call as pole vault. So our 8th picture is pole vault. Now we will move to the next one, which is the high jump. So here also it is a pole which is tied at a great height, and the person has to jump over the pole. This one we call it as high jump. And now in the next picture, you can see a man standing with a disc-like thing. So he has to throw that disc to the maximum distance. So this disc we call it as discus. So the last picture, 10th one, it is the discus throw. So with this, the second chapter is over. Okay students, now we can move to our third lesson, Indian folk dances. Dance is an event what we like the most. So here, folk dances, it is a different type of dance. It is a dance form that is developed by people that reflect the life of the people. It is the dance form that is keeping the tradition and values alive. So this folk dance differs from place to place. From state to state, it is different on special occasions. So here, in this third lesson, we can deal with some of the folk dances in India. So we can see the first picture. In the first picture, the dance is known as Chow. It is a folk dance of West Bengal. It is celebrated during the Sun Festival. So the first picture, Chow, belongs to West Bengal. The second picture, it is Cherao. Cherao is a folk dance form of Mizoram. Here, they use bamboo stick. They dance with bamboo sticks on the floor. So this dance is also known as bamboo dance. So the second picture is Cherao, which belongs to Mizoram. Now here we are having the third picture, in which you can see women are having like Hagra choli they are wearing, and they are covering their face. So this type of a dance we call it as Ghumar. This Ghumar dance is performed by a tribal group of Rajasthan known as Beat tribe. So they are performed by women, and it is popular, this dance form is popular from the time of Rajput kings. And along with this Ghumar, Rajasthan is having one more folk dance which is known as Kachi Godi. You can see at the bottom of your textbook in a column. So Kachi Godi is a folk dance form of Rajasthan that is performed by men. It is full of enthusiasm and colors. Here, men performs this dance on dummy horses. Now we can move to our fourth one, which is known as Lavani. Lavani means beautiful dance. It is a combination of dance and music. It is performed by women, in which they wear sari, and the dance is performed with the sound of dholak. Now we can move to the next one, which is known as Lavani. So the fourth picture is Lavani. So this is a folk dance which is performed by Maharashtra. Lavani means beautiful. It is a combination of dance and music. Women wear sari and they dance according to the sound of the dholak or the drum. Now fifth picture, we are having Bihu. Bihu is a traditional dance form of Assam. It is usually associated as the harvest festival of Assam. It is a beautiful dance performed by both men and women with very soft movements of the body and hand. So fifth picture, Bihu, a dance form of Assam. Now we can move to the next picture. You can see men and women playing with sticks. So this dance form is known as Dandiya, and Dandiya is a folk dance form of Gujarat. And this dance form, Dandiya, is usually performed during the Navaratri festivals, that is during the Puja holidays. During the Puja festival, they celebrate or they perform all the 9 days. It will be performed with Dandiya. So sixth one, Dandiya, a folk dance form of Gujarat. Now seventh one, it is a dance form of Tamil Nadu, which is known as Karagatam. Karagatam, the dance means dancing with water pot. Okay, Karagam means water pot. So Karagatam is a dance form which means a dance with water pot. It is usually done to praise rain god. So seventh picture, Karagatam, it is a folk dance form of Tamil Nadu. Now we can move to the eighth picture. Eighth picture is Bhangra. It is a specific, unique style of Punjabi dance. So Bhangra is a folk dance form of Punjab, performed by both men and women, and this is usually associated with marriage functions. So children, with this, we are coming to the end of today's session. So we have covered 3 important lessons of our GK, that is the colored words, athletics and the folk dance forms of India. Hope you have followed the lessons properly, complete your work, and till we meet the next time, have a nice day. Goodbye.